those winter months approach, you'll love the dedicated slow cook function. From beef bourguignon, lamb shanks, or a tasty pork shoulder. It sounds super fancy, but it's easy to make when you've got the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro on your cooking team. The Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro's slow cooking function is ideal for recipes that require longer cooking times at low temperatures. With its clever Element IQ system, heat is steered when and where it's needed to create and maintain the ideal heating environment for precision cooking. Insert the wire rack to position 8 and turn the function dial to select the slow cook function. You'll see here the temperature displayed with 2 preset temperatures, low and high. Select using the temperature dial. This number indicates the cooking duration. Chicken is slow cooked best on high to lock in its juices. By selecting high, you'll reduce the default cook time to 6 hours to prevent the meat from drying out. A handy rule when slow cooking is to cook lower and slower for dense meats. You can cook for up to 72 hours on a low setting and up to 12 hours on high. Activate the slow cook function with the start-stop button. You'll hear the and the LCD will turn orange and indicate a blinking preheat message. Some key tips for slow cooking in your Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro include: always bring whatever you're cooking to a simmer on the stove before placing it into the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Otherwise, you'll be cooking for 2 to 3 hours longer. Use a casserole dish whenever possible. Make sure cookware is no heavier than 13 pounds. Don't overfill your cookware either. A minimum of half and max of 3/4 full is best to avoid spillover. Keep the lid on to keep moisture in. Say hello to melt in your mouth beef bourguignon. Pop your casserole dish into the oven and put your feet up. You can leave the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro to do the cooking. If you can't get to the oven once the cook cycle is complete, don't worry. The Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro will automatically switch to the warm function until you return. Now that's clever. Thanks to the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro's smart settings, you can use the slow cook function to maximize hours in your day, or turn it on overnight and wake up to a perfectly cooked meal.